Good morning children. How you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 61. Now I am going to start exercise 62. Let us start our class. Rewrite in index notation. Rewrite in a index notation form. Rewrite in index notation form. See the first one. 4 into 9. What meant by 4 into 9? 4 can be written as 2 square into 9 can be written as 3 square. See the second one. 25 into 49. 25 into 49. 25 can be written as 5 into 5. 25 can be written as 5 into 5. It means we can write it as 5 square. And 49 can be written as, if you observe in 7 table we can see 49 and 7 sevens 49. So 7 square. You have to indicate with the dot. A dot means for multiplication. Okay. See the third one. 16 into 81. 16 can be written as 6 4 4 16 so 4 square. 81 can be written as 9 9s 81. 9 9s 81. So 9 2 times if you multiply means you will get 81. So it's nothing but 9 square. See the fourth one. 100 into 121. 100 can be written as 10 into 10. So it can be written as 10 square. And into na keep dot. 121 can be written as 11 into 11. So nothing but 11 square. See the fifth one children. 45 into 18. Here 45 and 18 we cannot write the direct squares of these numbers. First we should find the prime factorization of these two numbers. First find the prime factorization of 45. In 5 table we can see 5 9s and 9 can be written as 3 3s. So 45 can be written as 5 into 3 into 3. Next 18. What is the prime factorization of 18? 2 9s. 9 can be written as 3 3s. So 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, here if you observe we can write it as 5 power 1 into 3. 2 times was repeated in 3 square. Here also it can be written as 2 power 1 into 3 square. Okay, simply you can write it as 5 power 1 into 3 square into 2 power 1 into 3 square. Here 3 was repeated 2 times. Yes, na? So 3 square into 3 square, 3 to the power of 4. So it's nothing but 2 power 1 into 5 power 1 into 3 power 4. Like that we can write. Okay, see the next one children. Next one in this sixth one. 169 into 64. Here if you observe 169 can be written as 13 square. 169 can be written as 13 square. 13 square into, you have to indicate that into with a dot na dot, and 64 can be written as 8 square. Okay, like that you can write. See the next one children. This index form question is completed. Now first one, B Roman first. The side of a square, the side of a square table is 5 meter. The perimeter of the table is, the perimeter of the table is, the perimeter of the table is. What is the perimeter of the table? The given side of the table, square table. Side of a square table. It's nothing but 5 meters. And here they are asking us to find the perimeter of the square. Perimeter perimeter of square table. What is the formula for the perimeter of a square? 4 into S. 4 into side. The given side has 5 meters. As now 4 into side means 4 into 5. What is 4 into 5? 20 meters. What is 4 into 5? 20 meters. See the second one, children. The angle measures 50 degrees. What is the measure of its? What is the measure of its? What is the measure of its complementary angle? Measure of its complementary angle. What is meant by complementary angle? The sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Then we call those two angles as complementary angle. If sum of two angles are equal to 90 degrees, then we call them as complementary angles. So what is the complementary angle of 50 degrees? Complementary angle of 50 degrees is nothing but the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. I told us. So 90 minus 50. 90 degrees minus 50 degrees. What is 90 minus 50? 40 degrees is the answer. 40 degrees is the answer. See the next one, children. Third one in this zero one. An angle measures 72 degrees. What is the measure of its supplementary angle? What is the measure of its supplementary angle? So, what is meant by supplementary angles? If sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then those two angles are called supplementary angle. Here to find the supplementary angle of 72 degrees, supplementary angle of 72 degrees is nothing but 182 degrees minus 72. 180 degrees minus 72. Then you will get the next angle. So 180 minus 72. Here 0 minus 2 not possible. 10 minus 2, 87 minus 7, 0, 1. So it's nothing but 108 degrees. 108 degrees. Next. Fourth one. The average of 7, 8, 9, 5 and 6 is. What is the average of these numbers? Okay. What is meant by average? Sum of numbers. Average meant for sum of the quantities by number of quantities. Sum of the quantities by number of quantities. So sum of the quantities means you have to add the given numbers. What are those? 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6. By how many number of quantities are there here? 5. So it's nothing but 11 plus 9, 20, 28 plus 7, 35 by 5. 5 ones, 5, 7. So it's nothing but 7 is the average of these numbers. 7 is the average of these numbers. Okay children, in the next class we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.